A revision has been made to 110.26 A4 that states, where equipment, operating at 1000 volts, nominal, or less to ground, and likely to require examination, adjustment, servicing, or maintenance, while energized, is required, by installation instructions or function, to be located, in a space with limited access, all of the following, shall apply. Where equipment is installed, above a lay-in ceiling, there shall be an opening, not smaller than 22 inches, by 22 inches, or in a crawl space, there shall be an accessible opening, not smaller than 22 inches, by 30 inches. The width of the working space, shall be the width, of the equipment enclosure, or a minimum of 30 inches, whichever is greater. All enclosure doors, or hinged panels, shall be capable of, opening a minimum, of 90 degrees. The space, in front of the enclosure, shall comply with the depth requirements, of Table 110.26, A1, and shall be unobstructed to the floor, by fixed cabinets, walls, or partitions. Space reductions, in accordance with 110.26 A1, B, shall be permitted. The maximum height, of the working space, shall be the height necessary, to install the equipment, in the limited space. A horizontal, ceiling structural member or access panel, shall be permitted, in this space, provided the location, of weight-bearing structural members, does not result, in a side reach, of more than 6 inches, to work within the enclosure. This revision will clarify what is in the workspace. The panel concludes that the wording addresses the fact that headroom need not extend higher than that needed for the installation. A revision has been made to clarify what is considered to be in the workspace. This clarification addresses the fact that headroom need not extend higher than that needed for the installation.